Okay, today we're gonna be installing an O2 sensor. All right. What we got here is I'm getting a code of p1155, meaning to say that it's bank 2 O2 sensor 1 needs to be replaced, and that O2 sensor is right here in front of the engine, okay, right there, front of the engine. So we're going to remove that. We're going to unscrew that, and then go here at the back, and the back here is a connector, a pigtail. Disconnect this pigtail right here. Wait a minute, let me see. There. Disconnect that, and after we disconnect that, we're gonna install our brand new O2 sensor. Okay, I got a Denso one here. It's kind of expensive. It costs more than $100, but it's the only one, as far as I'm concerned, that works for Toyota, because I tried buying something cheap for $46, and my check engine light was still coming on, and I'm still coming getting a code of 1155, p1155. After talking to a few people, they said that Toyota's parameters as far as ohms are concerned are very tight, and this is the one. It's a direct fit Denso. You're gonna wind up keep on buying one after the next oxygen sensor until you settle for Denso. It's expensive, but this is the one that works. This is the one that's gonna has the right ohm specs for Toyota Siennas. All right, so we're gonna be doing that right now. I'm gonna be unscrewing the old one, and we're gonna be installing a new O2 sensor right now. So right now I'm using a 22 millimeter wrench, and I'm gonna be disconnecting this O2 sensor, the old one. Sometimes it's harder to break, but this one wasn't really that hard. So so we unscrew that. Okay. Now when it's loosened, you pretty much just use your hand to unscrew it. Let's make sure everything is okay. It's cool, because if it's hot, it'll burn your hand. So I kind of like just by hand, see, just unscrew that. Okay, loosen it there a little bit, and I'm gonna go this way. Watch me here. There is a connector here. You want to disconnect the pigtail by pressing this button right here. Can you see? Wait, just my hand there. Wow, I can't see. All right, there's a pigtail here. All right, this way. There. You're gonna press a clip here while you disconnect the connector, if you can see it. Let me see. There, press that button. Press this button and pull it apart. This here, there's a little clip here. You press that down and pull it apart. All right, so I'm gonna disconnect this. It should come off after I press the button. There. So I got it off. Okay. Now there's this little strap here that holds it together. I'm just going to take that out. It clicks together. So take that out and then start unscrewing by hand the O2 sensor. So we take this old one out right now, and we open and take out our new one. Here, it's a Denso. Okay, so I open this. There you go. Take the rubber band that holds it together. We got an NAC's grease here that we put around the threads. There's an NAC's grease we put around the threads. I'm just going to show you where to put the NAC's. This NAC's grease comes together with the purchase of the Denso O2 sensor. So what you're going to do is just going to squeeze it around the threads right here. Yeah. And just go around and then and just spread it. Okay. All the way around. And work your way around all the way before you install it. Okay. And just go around the thread. Okay. Alright. You got the idea. There you go. Just around the threads. Yeah. Looks alright. Okay, there you go. That's all we need. And you're seeing me here, stop looking over there. Because you're not going to be able to concentrate. Alright, now we by hand, can you see it? You need to see it. We screw this in here by hand until it's semi-tight. There. Okay. Alright. And after that, what we're going to do is use our 22mm wrench and tighten it some more. Okay. Just a little more. That's pretty good. Good enough. Now, we take this, the connector, it only fits one way, and we hooked it up. Let's connect it back to its proper connections right here. Can you see this? Alright, so we just kind of push that in there until it clicks. There, I hear it click. So now that's hooked up. We get this. We get this little strap we got here to hold down the wire where it belongs. It snaps back and we're done. There you go. So that's how you do it. P1155, replace the O2 sensor, bank to O2 sensor 1. Alright, make sure you get the right part. Go for Denso immediately, or you're going to start to avoid keep on buying and spending $40, $60 and still getting that check engine light keep on coming on. This, as far as I'm concerned, is the only one that can solve that problem. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time.